one of the sad stories I have about being connected with Yiddish is connected with Hollander. It's to his credit, but so David Rusky said to me, the new Yiddish library should have a volume devoted to the poetry of Moyshe-Leyb Halpern, and John Hollander should translate it and you should edit it. And I thought, that's a crazy idea. Why is John Hollander going to pay any attention to me? I mean, what am I going to tell him? I don't like the way that line works. He's a poet, you know? But I thought it would be interesting to be in touch with him. So I wrote him or called him or something and said, so this is what David Rusky says. What would you, are you interested in this? What can I do? And he said, well, I'd like to know what poems you think should be in such a book. So I went through a lot of Halpern and I sent him a list. And I sent him a copy of the Naborsky dictionary because I think he liked the idea of having a Yiddish-French dictionary, and he's a polyglot. And I thought, maybe he's going to do it. Maybe he's actually going to do this. It'd be good. And he called me up and he said, I just can't do this volume. I can't do the poems you want me to do because if I were going to do the poems you want me to do, I'd be dead before I finished. And that's not what I want to spend the rest of my life doing. And then he spent the rest of his life writing poems, and then he died. And I would love to have seen that volume. He was totally right. I knew exactly what he meant, and I honor him for having the good sense to know what he wanted to do. But, I also would have liked to see that Halpern volume.